How to log out of Messenger or sign out of Facebook Messenger. Logging out of Facebook Messenger isn't as direct as most apps, but you can absolutely do it. Here is how to log out of Messenger on your iPhone. So first of all, here you can see we are logged into your Messenger account, but in the settings you won't find any logout option available there. So, the best way to log out from your Messenger is to completely remove your Messenger app from your home screen and re download it. So, basically, simply go to your home screen, and now on your home screen, long press on Messenger, tap on the remove, and tap on the delete app and reinstall it from your app store and either log in or stay logged out as your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.